Alright, welcome back to the part of this WordPress available tools / import tools. So now we're going to discuss more on what each actually does. So for instance, previously we've talked about how you can use the import tools to import post or comment from another system into WordPress. So just like WordPress is a CMS, a content management system, so we have other content management system out there, such as Blogger. We have Blogger, we have Wix, we have Tupa, we have Webflow and the likes. So but WordPress is currently the biggest fish when it comes to content management system in the industry. So but if you want to migrate, for instance, let's say you have a blog on Blogger. So Blogger is also a content management system by Google. So and if you want to move your blog if you want to migrate your blog from Blogger down there to WordPress, so all you have to do is you use the Blogger tools to import your post or comment from Blogger platform to WordPress. And if you want to do that, all you have to do is click on install now. So when you click on install now, you're going to install the Blogger plugin on your site. And when you install the Blogger plugin, you can then use the plugin to import your posts, comment and users from the Blogger blog. So if you have a Blogger blog and you want to move to WordPress, you can actually use this tools here, the Blogger tools here, to import your post, comment and users from Blogger to WordPress. So now the second tools we have available here is the categories and text converter, which we have showed previously. So this allows you to convert existing categories, that is those categories on your WordPress site, that is this WordPress site. So you can use these categories and tags converter to convert existing categories to tags, or you can also use it to convert tags to categories selectively. So what I mean by selectively is that if you have, let's say, 10 tags, you can actually decide to convert only 5 or 4 of these tags to categories, or you can also decide to convert 4 or 5 categories to tags and not all of them. So that's what the selectively movement is all about. So we also have Live Journal, so you can also import your posts from Live Journal using their API. So we have movable type and typepad, we have RSS, we have Tumblr, and we have WordPress. So these are actually tools that you can use to import your post or comment from another system into your WordPress website. So if you are using Live Journal before, you can import your post from Live Journal. If you are using a movable type and typepad blog, you can also use this tool to import your post and comment from a movable type to it. And if you have RSS feed, you can also use these tools to import your post from an RSS feed. So the same thing goes for Tumblr, and the same thing goes for WordPress. So taking a look at this in case of WordPress, so this simply means that if you have another WordPress site and you want to import the post and comment from the WordPress site, you want to import it to this current site, then you can just click on install now. Then you'll be able to import your posts, your pages, comment, even custom feeds, categories and tags from that WordPress to your current WordPress site. So that is what these available tools, these are what they do. And in the next video we are going to see how we can actually export the content of a WordPress website, so that you can use it, so that you can import it to another WordPress site.